Hello guys. Krishna Kumar here. I am here to clear your concepts related to human eye and the colorful world. So this is the part 1 of the human eye chapter. We will end this chapter in 4 parts. Let's start. Firstly, disclaimer. You remember the disclaimer comment on this video. So let's start. Guys, firstly we will see the diagram of human eye. Before starting chapter, firstly let us see the mind map of the chapter. Mind map is quite interesting. Today, I stand before you to shed light on a remarkable creation of nature, the structure of the eye. The eye, the window to the world, is an intricate organ that allows us to perceive the beauty and wonders that surround us. Understanding its structure is not only fascinating, but it also enables us to appreciate the miracles of our own existence. Let's delve into the structure of the eye from the perspective of a class 10 student. The eye can be divided into 3 main layers: the outermost layer, the middle layer, and the innermost layer. Each layer plays a crucial role in enabling us to see and perceive the world. The outermost layer of the eye is called the sclera. It is the tough, protective white part of the eye that maintains the shape of the eye and safeguards the delicate structures within. At the front of the eye, the sclera changes into a transparent, curved structure known as the cornea. The cornea acts as a window, allowing light to enter the eye. Beneath the sclera lies the middle layer, known as the choroid. The choroid contains a dark pigment called melanin, which helps absorb excess light and prevents reflection within the eye. Located in the front of the choroid is the iris, a colored, circular structure that controls the amount of light entering the eye. The iris contracts or expands the central aperture, called the pupil, based on the intensity of light present in the environment. Now, let's venture into the innermost layer of the eye, which is sensitive to light and is responsible for converting it into electrical signals that the brain can interpret. This layer is called the retina. The retina consists of millions of specialized cells, called photoreceptors, which come in 2 types, rods and cones. The rods function in dim light and are responsible for peripheral vision, while the cones are responsible for color vision and detailed central vision in bright light. These photoreceptors convert light into electrical signals that travel through the optic nerve to the brain for processing. At the center of the retina, we find a small depression called the fovea. The fovea is densely packed with cones and is responsible for our sharpest vision. It allows us to focus on fine details, such as when reading or examining intricate objects. Accompanying the retina, we have the lens, suspended by suspensory ligaments, which is responsible for focusing light onto the retina. The lens changes its shape to adjust the focal length and ensure that the light rays converge precisely on the retina. To complete our journey through the eye, we cannot ignore the role of the optic nerve. The optic nerve carries the electrical signals generated by the retina to the brain, where they are interpreted as visual images. The brain then processes and makes sense of these signals, allowing us to perceive the world around us. In conclusion, the structure of the eye is a marvel of complexity and efficiency. From the protective sclera to the light-sensitive retina, each part contributes to our ability to see and experience the world. Understanding the structure of the eye not only enhances our knowledge but also instills in us a sense of awe and gratitude for the incredible gift of sight. Bye guys, it's all for today. We'll meet in next session.